In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align left in Excel. If you want your text or values to sit neatly against the left side of a cell, Excel makes that very quick and easy. This is especially useful when you're formatting a worksheet for better readability or creating a more consistent layout across your data. To get started, open your Excel workbook. Make sure you're in the file where you want to adjust the alignment. Once the workbook is open, go to the part of the sheet that contains the cells you want to format. Next, select the cell or range of cells you want to align. You can click a single cell if you only need to change one item, or click and drag to highlight multiple cells at once if you want to apply the same formatting to a larger section. This helps save time and keeps your spreadsheet looking consistent. After selecting your cells, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. The Home tab contains many of the most commonly used formatting tools, including font options, number formatting, and alignment controls. If you're already on the Home tab, you're ready for the next step. Now look for the alignment group in the toolbar. In this section, click Align Left. This button tells Excel to position the contents of the selected cells against the left edge of each cell. As soon as you click it, the change will be applied right away. Once you do that, the contents of the selected cells will be aligned to the left edge. This can make text easier to scan, especially in lists, labels, or tables where you want everything to line up the same way. If you selected multiple cells, all of them will update together. That's really all there is to it. Aligning left in Excel is a simple formatting change, but it can make a big difference in how polished and organized your worksheet looks. If you're cleaning up a spreadsheet, adjusting alignment is one of those small steps that can improve the overall presentation very quickly. And that's it. You now know how to align left in Excel.